It's a well-known fact that Botswana introduced tight lockdown regulations and a strict curfew to protect her own citizens from the ravages of COVID-19. And many other countries, of course, took measures to protect their citizens, measures in the way they deemed fit to protect their own citizens. And this happened globally in many instances. But many trucking companies found it unprofitable to cross into the region through Botswana. The South African border post with Botswana, which is closest to Beitbridge, is Groblersbrug, the Groblersbrug border post. Usually at this time of the year, Groblersbrug is used as an overflow area when Beitbridge cannot cope with the number of trucks that goes through. But this year, it was the other way around. And none of us, of course, anticipated something like that because it was happening for the first time. It was the other way around. Trucking companies diverted their trucks away from Groblersbrug to Beitbridge because they could not accept the waiting times imposed by the COVID protocols in Botswana, as we have already mentioned. And our figures, as I said, they don't lie. They are a testimony to this. In December last year, 6,706 trucks went through Groblersbrug. But by the 27th of December this year, that means by 3 days ago, the last date on which we got statistics, only 2,968 trucks had gone through Groblersbrug. This means that only 44% of the total number of trucks processed last year went through Groblersbrug this year. Now, in contrast, when we move to Beitbridge, 19,800 trucks went through Beitbridge in December 2019. Compared to this year, by the 27th of December, again 3 days ago, there were 21,800. So a simple analysis of these figures will tell you that in December this year, 3,738 fewer trucks went through Groblersbrug. And at least 2,000 of them found their way to Beitbridge, and hence the congestion.